What's going on, guys? Ray here, and I just wanted to log in to tell you guys that it's been I'd say probably about 5 years that I've been working on Most Hated Garage, and this is the first time we actually have a garage. Check it out. We've been doing some work here. We're doing a lot of painting. We're building the Most Hated Garage office at the moment. We got the drywall going up. Mike's on the lift painting right now. Steve's overseeing the job.
What is up, everybody?
Mike's up there painting.
Yeah. Hey, everyone, take a look at this. We're going to expand our product line here. We're going to get into some car painting also. So Big Mike is up there just practicing. At this moment, just like Henry Ford with the Model T, we'll paint your car any color as long as it's black.
Also, I'm actually practicing because we are thinking about opening up a painting company because why not, right? I mean,
Most Painted Garage.
yeah, I mean, hey.
We also just got this lift. So we got our own little lift, and if you want to buy a Mustang, this one's for sale. We are working on the Most Hated Garage office. We got a nice little window going to the main room here, so I can tell Mike that he missed a spot when he's detailing. I need an intercom system from the office to out here. I'm gonna put in a petition to get me an intercom system.
Oh, I do need one more favor, but
He's been asking a lot today.
I know. Now there's a stick, and I don't want you to beat Steve with it this time because I actually need it to paint.
Okay.
But it's a brown rolling stick, and it's even against that corner, near the stairs, or in that corner. It's just like a brown stick. Oh, no, there's a brown one. That one that ends on, the threads are messed up, but there's a brown one.
So I'm gonna give you guys a.
Right next to this cabinet.
Let's see. He's got us on a wild goose chase here. Nope, just a pile of rags. You know, I think he's lying.
Yeah, I know, I like that.
He's watching us stand down here, do nothing, going, ha ha, let's make them walk in.
Stand for me, little Paul. Stand for me.
This is the most hated garage history.
Well, while they're looking for that, I'm gonna. Yeah, there's only an orange one over here. Take you guys up these stairs. Make sure you don't fall on the stairs because.
It's not over in that corner near the wheels and stuff, is it?
No, nope. I warned the video to make sure they watch the stairs when they come here. They're a little stairy here. Check it out, guys. So this is gonna be the Most Hated Garage office here. This is my little window where I can be like, hey, you missed a spot. We got a window. We got an air conditioner going in. We got a fireplace going in. We got smart LED bulbs. We're going to be getting a 75-inch TV. We got a nice couch. And yeah, so when this gets done, we're going to have a little grand opening party, and you guys can come